Hello YouTubers, going to be doing an unboxing, sorry for getting in your way, the MPower sharpening system. There's the bundle. Let's see, is that coming in? FastTrack Chisel and Plain Blade Sharpener. And here's what you get with the bundle. Okay, and they also included part of the holiday special. Diamond Cross FastTrack knife sharpener. I don't know how well that'll work, but that's that. All right. Let's see what it's going to take to open. There's a little grip mat. Instruction manual. In English. Surprisingly all in English, and English only. Not sure what country they're based out of. They're imported. The company shipped from Traverse City, Michigan, my home state. Get this pouch with a little hook hanging on your wall in your shop. You read that? You got 1200, 600, 100. There's a diamond. Not sure what that is. Guess I'd have to read the instructions. Oh, I know. I remember what that is. It's a cleaning block for the stones. 100, 600, 1200 grits. And that's a machined fit. I guess that's spring loaded and does not come off. Or magnetized, one of the two. Or just got a lot of oil. Oh, it's got a rubber band. Hold it on. Take the rubber band off. And 220 and 450 grits. Got quite a bit of oil on there. So that rides back and forth. So you can get 25 and 30 degrees, 27.5 degrees, and 32.5 degrees. And they're numbered positions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can you read that? Regularly clean and oil the dovetail sections on the top and base. If you saw in my last video, I got some Stanley Sweetheart chisels, and it was 2-day priority shipping through the U.S. Postal Service, but they took over almost a week to get it shipped. But here's the premise of the sharpener. Stick your chisel or planer blade in and work it back and forth, and that will sharpen your chisel or planer iron. Let's see what the little and it does have it's supposed to have a leather strap on the back, yeah, for strapping. And this area in here is for flattening the backs of your blades. Yeah, see here. I just point out they call it the deburr plate. But comes with complete instructions on how to use it. And maybe I'll do a video sharpening those sweethearts. Alright, thanks for watching. That's the MPower FastTrack Chisel and Plane Sharpener FastTrack Mk2. This was a bundle package. Thanks for watching.